Hey friends, Charting Dan here. We're looking at Facebook on the daily and weekly time frame. This is the daily chart where every candlestick represents one trading day worth of action. You can see that on Monday and Tuesday, Facebook had a pretty steep decline and pullback. The bears were in charge for 2 whole days, but today the bulls stepped in. Today was a significant close because you had the 20-day moving average, which is also the middle Bollinger Band, the 50-day moving average, and the 100-day moving average were all turned back into support. They all failed yesterday, and now they're turned back into support. Looking into tomorrow, you're going to want to see, if you're a bull, that this 10-day moving average, if there can get some trading and a close above it. You can see the high day today went right up and hit off of it and then pulled back. So that's some resistance going into tomorrow. But as long as these levels right here, which are in the 75.70 to 75.80 range, as long as there's a close above that, the bulls are going to be happy. The RSI here is bouncing back and looking for a crossover 50, which would be a bullish move as well. And the MACD is leveling out right before it can make this bearish cross. So you want to see this black line hold above this red line there. There's a gap to fill up here at 79.57. A gap is when there's a big drop or a big rise in price where there's a lot of trading action that doesn't go on, and most of them get filled. So that's a level to watch. And it looks like it's going there because you got higher highs and higher lows forming. You can see off of this pullback, it found support on the 100-day moving average, bounced up a little bit, and then it pulled back down and set a low here. Since then, it set a new higher high, pulled back, a new higher low, and then here it was just a few cents higher, still a higher close, so that's good for the bulls. And this pullback here, this bottom, is a higher low than this one. So as long as that trend keeps going, Facebook is looking good. You want to be staying in this bullish trading channel between the middle Bollinger Band and the upper Bollinger Band. And Facebook looks like it's making its way back into that channel. Looking at the weekly time frame, you can see there's still 2 trading days worth of action before this candle is formed, but it is sitting directly above the middle Bollinger Band on the weekly chart support. Middle Bollinger Band is 76.09 and it is currently 76.11. So the bulls certainly want to see a close above this middle Bollinger Band and also the 10-week moving average, which is 76.38. So a close over those 2 levels, and it will be a good sign for the bulls. See if it can potentially make a move back into the 80+ area and set some new highs. Those are the levels you want to be watching, and we will check back in a few days and see how it's working out. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you learned something. Feel free to ask me any questions or requests, and thanks for watching.